The python has caught the horse.
The python has caught the horse.
It's too strong!
Hello. Hello, this is the rescue office. How can we assist?
The giant python has caught my horse. Please, come help me.
Hurry up! We need to get moving, Spay! Mission time! All teams, status check. Go!
Bravo team ready.
Moving to the staging area now. Let's go, let's go.
Flight controls checked. How's the LZ looking?
Clear. Harness secured.
All green. Let's move. Rope secure. Ready to go on your command.
All right, team, let's move. Go, go, go! It's got him. You have to do something. Roger that. Preparing deployment. Stand by for wash. Secure the head now. Pull taut on that line. Watch the coils. Move in. Hold them steady. Don't let it coil any tighter.
I'm trying. Pull harder.
Watch the head. Team, stabilize the horse. Weapons hot.
Taking the shot now. Sedation taking hold. Move in slowly.
Hold steady. Fire the darts now.
Mission control. The subject is sedated. Stand by for extraction.
Secure the tail. Watch for muscle spasm.
All right, the horse is clear. Bring him over here.
Good work, team. Python is fully sedated.
You're okay now, just relax. Good heart rate. Let's get him some water.
It's okay now, you're safe. I thought I lost you, buddy.
Mission done!